Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to take you through Google Contacts. As previously I've been taking you through the Google Apps where we talked about the Google the Google emails. Then we have the Google Maps, Google Translate and the rest. But for today I'm going to take you through Google Contact. Google Contact simply means it is a cloud-based contact management service that helps you to store your contacts in a digital format. So it's important is it helps you to keep your contacts even though you have maybe lost a phone or something happens to your phone. You can still go into other devices like a computer. Then you log into your Google or your Gmail account, can be able to access all your contacts and the information. Then other importance we have, it helps you also to organize all the documents in a way that you want them. So if you want to get your Google, Google Contacts, so go to this icon, this Google Apps. This is where you're going to find your Google Contacts. So you tap on it, then it's going to give you these options. There you look for the Google Contacts. And if you're going to use Google Contacts, you have to make sure that you are connected to internet. Therefore, here is a page. So here it tells you to create the contact. Then here showing the contacts, the frequency, other contacts, and then all these tools you can use them. Now, if you want to create your contacts, come here, create contacts, or you create multiple contacts. So if you want to create multiple contacts, you click on it. Here you come, and then you put the name, you put the emails, and then you create. But if you don't want to create multiple contacts, then you have to come and click on create a contact, where you're going to enter your first name, enter your last name, enter the company and job title, and then everything that you want to enter. So here it is a profile page where you can choose any picture that you want to put. So you can either go to the camera or the gallery, or you can choose it from these pictures. Then you upload and then you put it to be your profile pic. Then another thing also we have the other contacts. So this probably shows the contacts that exist in your phone or your emails. So you can use them in case your phone get lost. Otherwise, that is how Google Contacts simplifies work for us. So here we have the export. So from here you are going to export contacts from other source to your phone. Then we have these icons. So here they are telling you to display or change the column or the order and the rest. Otherwise, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos that are going to come. Thank you.